How to screenshot on PicsArt. So taking a screenshot directly within the Pix app is also a built-in feature, but you can easily capture or screenshot of your work by using your device screenshot function. So for your Android device, you have to launch your PicsArt app on your device. Here. So you have to open the project or image that you want to capture. Here you can see that you have to connect your account here, or you can skip this also. You can go for the extra premium edit with premium tool. You can buy your subscription here. So if you don't want, just go for the cross icon and go for the allow option. So you have to open up your project and launch the Pix app here, and just go add the image that you want to capture from here. So once you are on your created photo, then you have to make sure the part of the photo that you want to capture which is visible on the screen. So you have to press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Hold them for a second until you see a flash or here to filter the sound. And you can also navigate here and go for the screenshot here. And here you can see your screenshot. So your screenshot will be saved in the screenshot folder in your device gallery. Also, you can swipe down to take the screenshot of the photos on your PicsArt. With the help of this simple step, you can easily screenshot on your PicsArt. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.